Let's see how to set A4 as the default page size in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to change your paper size, you need to head on over to the Layout tab. And here, under Page Setup, you'll see that you can change the size of your paper. Now, click on More Paper Sizes. Now, click on Paper. And here, you can select A4 and click on Set as Default. And Microsoft Word will send out a prompt that will ask you if you want to change the default settings for page setup based on the normal template, and click yes. And from here on, every document that you open based on the normal template will now be sized A4. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.